Day 6 has arrived of this 30-day yoga challenge, and so glad you are back. Connect to your core is the topic of today's session. So guess what? It's a core session. We're gonna make it short and juicy to work a bit on the core strength. And I can already tell you tomorrow is going to be quite relaxing. So give it your best today. I'm Marion, your spiritual healer, coach, and yoga teacher. So let's get started. And today we want to start in all fours to do some cat-cow mobilization. Place the hands underneath your shoulders. And then round your back from the lower spine all the way up to your neck and head. And then arch. Long back. Exhale again. Start the movement from the lower spine. Let the head move last. And also in the other direction. Exhale and inhale. Last one. Now lift the right leg and the left arm. Lengthen from the toes to the fingertips. With the exhale, you round your back and you bring elbow and knee together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale. And change. Left leg, right arm. Exhale. Inhale. Drop. From here, come into plank. The hip is lower than your head. You push out, you push the hands into the mat so the shoulders don't collapse. Just hold. If you feel the need, you can drop one knee and change, but try to just hold. Drop. Come on your forearms. Stay here on your knees, or you lift the heels, the knees. Drop. Come back into a child pose. Long arms. Drop your head. Relax for a moment. Come forward again into plank. And then let the heels drop to one side, lift the arm into side plank. Hold. Breathe. Find your option. You can put the foot in front to support. And then change. Come back to center. Drop the knees. Come back. Hands next to your feet. Drop the forehead. Breathe. Let's do one more with the arms. So it's more full body strength before we roll onto our backs and do more an isolated core workout, okay? Same side plank. This time with movement. So with the exhale, you come down, and with the inhale, you come up. Inhale, exhale. Only 6, so 2 and 1 more. Change. Inhale. 5, 4. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. Great. Did you do it? Let me know below. You want more? Let me know below. You didn't like it? Doesn't matter. Hit the like button. Okay. Let's roll onto the back. Good. Don't you worry, child. There will be enough relaxation in these 30 days, so don't worry. But you want to feel more balanced and aligned, and the core is an important area to make you feeling more powerful. So lift the legs up high, hands above the hip, hands at the side of the hip, and just hold here. Just hold. Legs up. It's also good if you stand a lot during the day. You can do that in the evening before you go to sleep. Will help you sleep better. Okay, now lift the lower spine. Just it's a tiny movement. So you lift the tailbone and then you turn, come back and turn. Yeah, right side, center, left side, center. Wiggle to the left, to the right. And release. Drop the feet. Relax for a moment. Next one. I want you to place your hands underneath your sacrum. And you lift the legs into 90 degrees. And then you tip one foot down, the other foot down. This is one option. Yeah. You can continue doing this, or you come with me, straighten your legs and come down with the long legs while you support your back with your hands and come back up, down and up. Oh, and smiling. Smiling while doing that. Last one. Bend the knees, bring them to your chest and relax. Good. Place the feet on the mat and now come up with the hip from the mat. Up, up, down, down. Hold in the air, hold. Just hold and breathe. Release. Straighten the legs for a moment. One last to go. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Bring the heels together like a frog. Yeah, it looks like a frog. Frog legs, hands, interlace, fingers pointing. Yeah, so the fingers help you to move. And now you push the heels together. You straighten the legs as much as you can. And you come back. Okay, while you do this, you lift your upper body at the same time. I do it with the exhale. You can also do it with the inhale. Check what feels better for you. Keep going. Push. Push. Take your time. How many more? I feel like I'm in the flow. Let's do 2. Last one. Now drop your upper body and just do the legs one more time. And back. Wonderful. Drop the feet. Lift the hip high. Stretch the front. And then drop, stretch, close your eyes, relax in Shavasana. Just breathe and feel, notice, witness. A daily practice doesn't always have to be long. It's better to just do something. And 10 minutes is better than not doing anything. So continue to show up for yourself so you feel better, more aligned and balanced in your life. That's why I am doing this challenge for you, so you feel better. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done yet and hit the bell sign to get the notifications so you can continue to improve your own condition. Thank yourself for showing up. Make sure to hit the like button, and I see you tomorrow for a wonderful recovery day. Namaste.